Hi guys, good afternoon, 1:30 p.m. and today's 29th of May 2018. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Where am I lost all the day, every day? I don't know. I just am, too engrossed in my trades right now. So we did a lot of trading today. I particularly had a lot of a blast today almost. So I have bought Bharat Forge, Dr. Reddy call. I have bought Equitas. Equitas is right now red, but I'm expecting it to go up. HCL Tech I bought yesterday, but somehow in the morning I was conducting my Nifty trading class and I just missed to book the profit. This call went up till 15. But I just forgot. I was so engrossed in teaching. And this is Hindustan Unilever, and this is the trade we did with Nifty Trading Course members. And it was on the autopilot mode. Once we decide about the trade, it is almost autopilot mode. So this is, this is how I traded today. This is how I traded today. Like a lot of calls because I'm just working out a new method, a new technique, and then it's just bang on. Like you can see, today's profit itself is about 28,000 rupees. And how much money did I have in the morning? So I started with about 1.13 lakhs, right? 1.13 lakhs. So good about having a profit of 28%. 28% is pretty decent profit from any angle, right? So guys, look at the beauty. Like the trades where we bought put were in the downward direction. The trades where we bought calls were in the upward direction. Like this is how it has gone. So this is Bharat Forge. This is Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge is in the downward direction, and look at Hindustan Unilever, that's also in the downward direction. Whereas the other trades that I have taken, they are in the buy side. They were on the buy side. Equitas is still on a hold. Okay, so now I have booked profit in Hindustan Unilever also, about 23,700 rupees. Not bad, not bad. Bharat Forge is also down in the down direction. Whereas I have bought just a few minutes back, I gave it on the open channel as well on the Telegram for everybody to buy Dr. Reddy. This call I have given on the open forum for everybody to buy, right? And I'm expecting it to go up. I think I gave it at a cost of 23 rupees. I gave it at about 23 rupees and now it's at 25. So guys, please, see here, this is the open forum. So guys, if you have not joined my Telegram channel, please go ahead and join. You will at least get one or two good calls. And all the calls have been really, really, really doing well, whether it was KIE Industries. And there were some stocks which didn't move at all. So I made you people exit, like Endurance. I made Endurance, I gave Endurance, I gave McMuffin, Corp, Saregama. Every stock you can see does really, really well. So what I'm saying now, that please, if you want to earn such kind of profits every day you want to have money in your account, oh my God, look at it. Okay, this is HCL Tech. This is not. So I'm stuck up with one call of mine, which is Equitas, right? But I'm pretty much hopeful that that should also be fine, right? Equitas is something where I'm stuck up. Had I not, I'm certain about it that this call will give me good profits. That's why I'm having open position. Otherwise, I can square off right now with a profit of 22,000 rupees. But I believe that this stock is just waiting for a run up, just waiting for a run up. I can show you what is happening in Equitas. So this is how Equitas is. Like I have put various lines on it. Let me just delete everything. So here, see, it opened with open gap up. So the stance of the stock is basically positive, right? Stance in the morning of the stock was positive, but then after that it broke its pivot point, came down. But now in 15 minutes, it's taking the support from 50 moving average, 200 moving average, and the S1, right? I am expecting, if not today, tomorrow, definitely it should go up. And I have taken its call. I have taken its call a little higher value. Why? Because I believe that the stock will go up. I believe that the stock will go up. So that is why I have taken the call on a higher price. So let's see how it goes, and I'm expecting Dr. Reddy to give a good profit. Although there is some kind of a profit booking, or it's kind of visible over here. But according to my analysis, according to what I believe, there should be profit coming in into Dr. Reddy as well. Let's go to the Nifty and see what's happening in Nifty. So this is Nifty, right? We traded in the morning. We did trade in the morning on the autopilot mode. We created our trade. We bought it, the moment morning range was broken, we bought it, and the Nifty went up till this point and it came down. We don't need to see our trade. Trade, once we initiate our trade, we don't need to go there. It is autopilot mode, right? And when Nifty breaks it in the downward direction, one can definitely initiate a trade in the downward direction. So I didn't initiate that trade. I just did one trade because I'm doing a lot of trades here, right? A lot of trades here in the options and working out on my strategy. And you can see the profits out here is pretty good. And this is my other account, which I'm trading in. And what I plan to do, guys, to exit GSS, because this is again, it's given, it's not doing anything. Yesterday there was little profit, but again today it's down. Let's look into its graph and see what's happening, why the stock is not moving ahead. I really feel it should give me a momentum. Somehow there should be a huge thrust. I should be able to see, okay, so now can you figure out the reason why the stock is not moving? The reason is this pivot point, right? This stock is trying to cross pivot point with volumes, and there is time and again there is resistance. So the day it crosses, you want me to hold it or you want me to exit? Tell me. I'm going to wait for your answers. You want me to hold it? I can hold it also, and then see what is happening in the market. I can hold it also and wait for the results. Like if it crosses, the pivot point with volumes and have a candle formation. Like, see this candle. Can you see this candle out here? The moment a candle is formed above the pivot point and it leaves the pivot point, that's the day stock will start moving up, right? Now let's look into its RSI and see from here what is happening. Can we expect it to move up, or what does RSI tell me? So I'm going to modify as per my own. You all know that, right? What I do here is I make it 60 and I make this as 40, right? And I'm going to make it green in color and apply. No, so now RSI is positive all throughout. Rather, RSI has taken a support and bounced, right? Right now it's bending a little bit. Let me see what's happening in 1 hour's time. 1 hour's time frame, it's in the downward direction and it is doing nothing. It's between 40 and 60. So there is nothing much that I could feel from smaller time frame also. But if you look into 1 hour, it's taking a bit of support for quite some time. It's hovering at this point after falling down. So I am planning to hold it for 1 or 2 days and then I will probably take a call, right? So see here, Dr. Reddy, I gave it 23 rupees. It has started moving up and it should give good profit. I'm pretty much hopeful that it should at least go up till 35 or maybe even more, right? So guys, get ready. I always say that if you want to be in the market, if you want to trade well, if you want to earn profits every day, you need to know about the market, right? You need to know about the market. So here is one person who's dedicatedly making videos for you, who's want you people to be educated in the market. Normally people don't want anybody to be educated. Here I'm saying I want to educate people and make you absolutely self-reliant. Go for any of our course. This course is live, positional course is live, intraday course is live. No, not this is Nifty trading course is live. And look at the Nifty trading course. We did trade in the morning. Today in the morning we traded into Nifty. Based on that, there is profits here, right? There were 5,000 rupees profit in the morning itself, right? But what I'm saying that every day you can earn money from Nifty. Nifty is one instrument that gives you colossal returns. Like, you don't need to go here and there. And now see, this trade is also going to be final. I have put Bharat Forge buying at 650. I've bought its put. So I'm hoping this is my order which is pending here. See, so Bharat Forge at 650. So if I should be able to exit it in profit, right? So what I'm saying that, guys, without learning, please don't trade in the morning. It'll be like gambling. It'll be like gambling. Okay, now it has fallen. This stock has fallen down. Buy it. Many people have done the same thing with Vedanta. They bought when they felt Vedanta has fallen quite a lot, and nothing. When what best they could get was nothing. That it kept on going down, down, down. Many people have done it. I know. So this is not the way one should trade. It's gambling. It's pure gambling. Like when you are in the market, you have to have all your, uh, you know, facts together, and then only one should trade, right? So guys, learn about the market. That's what I keep requesting. And you have the what better way? What better way to? I believe every year, every day, one should have profits, no matter what, right? No matter what, every day people must have profit in their accounts. So right now I'm holding Equitas, and I want it to, I mean, I am pretty much sure that this will give me, it's taking a good support here. I'm expecting it to give me an upward trend, right? Because I'm holding, it's quite a lot of positions. See here how much positions I'm holding. It's 12,800 here and 6,400 here. So if it just goes even, like my buy price is 2 rupees and 1.88. So roughly, if I take it 2, if it goes to 3, I'll have collectively put together a huge amount of money in my account, right? It's not me, it's I mean, so learning together and earning together is what one can really think about in the market. So guys, I'm waiting for you. And now see here, now Dr. Reddy is almost on a verge of heading up. Dr. Reddy is on the verge of heading up, right? So guys, good day, enjoy. Nifty is, as it is, in the morning itself, we've decided it's going to be range bound. Neither it's going to break in the downward direction, nor it's going to break in the up direction. Why? Because see here, this is 10,700, huge amount of call writing here, and there's huge amount of put writing at all the levels, right? So that shows basically that market may not have much movement today, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but really wishing, really, really wishing that you guys learn in the market and then have good profits every single day. Good profits every day. That is going to be my sole wish, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but I want to see you all in my webinar. Bye bye. Take care. Trade well, and trade with confidence, right? Trade the way I'm trading, the way I'm generating profits. I want you guys to generate these kind of profits every single day. All right. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with new trades, new this thing, new analysis, and we'll learn something together. Please send me your questions if you have any, and I'll try to answer. Although I have made so many of videos and so much, I keep talking, my technique, how I work, but of course there is further refinement to that, which I keep doing. All right. So with this, I'm signing off. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.